Hey guys, welcome! Sa lahat ng mga ka-corner ko dyan, welcome everyone! So, gabi na dito right now. Around 11 o'clock na ng gabi, pero tingnan nyo ang araw, mataas pa din. Pero, dito sa likod namin, backyard, this is what you're gonna see. I have a lot of solar lights, and which really helps dito sa labas because it gives more brightness kahit na gabing-gabi na. See, yan ang itsura nila. Yan. I don't know yung ray ng light. Yan. So lahat ito sila solar lights. Kaya tingnan yung kasama ko ngayon. Oh. Bella. So, dito din sa gazebo, it's full of lights din dito. Ayan. Ayan. So, dito sa gabi, kahit na, like I said in other vlog, kahit na 1 o'clock in the morning, maano pa rin, maliwanag. And especially, we have a light here. The street light, one of the street light here in my neighborhood. So, ayan, pati sa labas, marami ding solar lights. Ayan. Maganda pag gabi kasi, I don't know, it's nice and very peaceful and you don't have to worry about anything. See, it's covered lahat yan sila ng solar lights. And kahit na, like I said, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, andito kami ni Bella during the summertime. Look at the moon, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so beautiful. So, maganda, masarap umupo, magmuni-muni. Yeah, ganyan kami ni Bella dito sa bahay, muni-muni. Very soon, I'm going to take all my garden ornaments. I'm gonna put my fountain there in the corner. And this place, I usually fill my garden with full of flowers. Ayan. So, sometimes, andito kami ni Belle. Bababa kami dito sa lower deck. Ito nga pala, linagyan ko ng mga plastic kasi may tinanim ako in each pot. So, I don't know if they're going to survive because it's still cold here. So, nandito kami. Yeah. Upo ako dito. And then, nandyan lang si Belle. Yan, dyan. Yan siya. See, napapalibutan kami ng ilaw. Kaya, maganda dito sa garden pag gabi na. Ayan. And as you guys can see, or maybe you guys can hear from the video, it's really very quiet in this neighborhood. Very quiet, except for, you know, sa mga cars na nagpa-pass by. Pero maganda talaga tumira dito sa West End. Para akong nagbebenta ng ng bahay. Look at this girl. See? Look at my girl. Look at my girl. She knows I'm off tonight, so when I'm off, we usually go for a walk or stay here in the deck. Full ng lights. Tinaas ko yung mga blinds because, you know, so that my plants can get some sun. So guys, during summertime, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung garden. Ayusin natin yung garden ulit para maganda ulit siya. And yeah, very soon magpapabagsak ako ng lupa para ilagay sa mga planters because I have a lot of planters to yung ifi-fill siya ng lupa there. To 18 feet siya. So, yeah. Guys, sana mag-subscribe kayo ha. Sana ma-monetize din natin itong channel na to para makapag-giveaway tayo katulad sa other channel ko. If you guys want to learn Filipino, very basic Filipino cooking 101, please do subscribe on my other channel, Princess May's Kitchen. And I think pretty soon, I'm going to make a channel for Bella because everybody was, you know, asking for Bella all the time. Every time I post her on my Instagram or on my TikTok, Bella always get a lot of hearts. Right, langga ko? Yes, tita. So, very soon, I'm going to make a channel for Bella. So, dito lang kami. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed on this channel yet, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Alright? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Comment, like, and share. Thank you guys for watching. And have a good night, everyone. Signing off. Bye for now and see you on the next vlog.